In this video, I will share with you how to increase your cursor size or the mouse cursor size in MacBook. So first click on this little Apple icon from this corner, then select System Settings. New window pops up, and here look for Accessibility. This is it. Then click on Display. This is it. Now scroll down to Pointer, and to increase the mouse cursor size, just use the slider. As you see, as I slide to normal, the pointer, the mouse cursor gets smaller. Personally, for me, this mouse cursor size is not normal. It is small because I'm used to this large size because I do tutorials, I record tutorials. I need the pointer size to be a little bit large for the viewer, to be easy for the viewer to locate it. And also, you can also, since we are here, you can also edit the pointer outline color. For example, personally, I go with this color. You can make it orange or yellow or green using those colors. And I want to return yours to the original color. Yes, this is it. And you can also edit the cursor fill color. Let's go with white. As you see, now it is white. I think the black and the yellow are the easiest to see. You can also enable this feature. For example, sometimes when the pointer size is small, you can't locate the mouse cursor. So if you go or if you enable this option next to shake mouse pointer to locate, when you shake the mouse, it gets a little bit bigger. So when you don't see it, just shake the mouse on your hand and you will see the pointer gets bigger to locate it, then return to its normal size. Okay, let's return this to this size. And this is how to increase your mouse cursor size in MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.